So since we're doing a mixture with different percentages, set up your buckets. The two things that we're mixing together to equal our new total mixture. Label your percentages across the top and then how much of each across the bottom. So how many pounds of an alloy? That's 12%. We don't know how many pounds, so that's X. Must be added to 1,000 pounds. Now we do know how many pounds. That's 9%. To get a new alloy that is 11.2%. 11.2%. We don't know how much of this we're going to get. We can call it Y. So your two equations from these problems all the time, once you set up your buckets, it's always one time straight across the bottom with just your amounts. That's one equation. So that's X plus 1,000 equals Y. And the other equation is when you multiply all your buckets together. So 0.12 times X plus 0.09 times 1,000 equals 0.112 times Y. So this is already set up for substitution, so just do substitution. Substitute the 1,000 plus X in for Y. So 0.12X plus 0.09 times 1,000. It's 90 equals 0.112 times Y, and we're substituting 1,000 plus X. So distribute 0.112 times 1,000 is 112. 0.112 times X and we're solving for X. So subtract 0.112 and we'll subtract 90. So 0.12 minus 0.112 if you ever get an answer that displays in scientific notation like that, just remember that E negative 3 and it's written like that. This means you got to take the decimal from where it is and move it 3 spots. So it's 0.008. X equals 22. So 22 divided by 0.008, that'll be our answer. 2,750. And that was X. I think that's what the question asked for. How many pounds of the 12%? So that was X. We solved for X. This is how many pounds? 2,750 pounds of the 12% copper.